So good morning, or more good afternoon, guys. It's raining right now, so I hope you can understand me. Today I'm going to be working on the cladding on the sides. Yeah, finally! I'm so excited to get started with this. I will also get some help with this tomorrow or maybe the day after. It's just a friend that's coming out here and staying for 1 or 2 days. And but I'm already starting to see what I can do and how I can make this work.
I've been living in my 1979 Mercedes camper for 2 years now. I love that van, but it was itching me to do my own conversion. Alone and without any experience, I sold my old van and started with my very own van build.
So I'm using fir tree, I think this is the English word. It's really thin and actually really light, so that's quite good. I already made a really simplistic sketch of this one side of the wall, and now I'm going to cut some of the pieces to size. Okay, let's get this started. So the wood cladding is in, and obviously it's just taped there, but I wanted to have a look if everything works out. This worked out quite alright, and before gluing anything I first want to prepare and cut everything to size, stain it all, and then attach it to the sides. So I'm done cutting all of the pieces for the cladding, and you can see one result back behind me here, all the way up. And I think it looks quite nice actually. Quite happy how this turned out so far. I'm also done with these ones, but they're not put up anymore because they keep falling down, because obviously they're not attached to the wall yet. It's just to make sure that they fit. So yeah, now that this is done, I can take them all down again to paint them. And the reason why I'm not painting them while they're on the wall is because they are this kind of wood that snaps into one another. And yeah, if you paint it like that, then because the wood is still moving, you will see some pieces where there isn't any color. Alright, let's get these panels down and paint it. Okay, so I'm done laying these out, and now I'm gonna get the paint to paint them. Okay, so I'm done painting all of the wooden cladding. That was actually a lot of work, but now I can leave this to dry overnight, and then I can work with it tomorrow. So I hope it was worth it. I think it looks quite nice. Alright, see you tomorrow. So good morning. Today I'm going to try to glue my wooden paneling cladding to the walls, and the reason why I'm gluing is that I don't want to screw that many times into my metal, and I also don't want to attach wooden beams to screw these things to, because then I'm going to lose some width, and because I want to sleep widthways, I need all the width that I can have, so that's why I came up with this solution, just gluing it right to the metal. It's gonna be a bit challenging because, yeah, it's curved and it's hard to apply pressure in this direction, but I came up with some ideas to deal with this, and I'm going to try to do the first wall back there now, and then I'll let it dry and see if it actually worked out, and then I will try to do the other ones. Okay, let's get started. So I didn't show you how I attached these because I had to go really quickly to pick up my friend from the train station, and he's gonna join me in a minute to help out, finally. So in order to put some pressure against these in this direction, I put this beam here. It goes all the way down in this direction, and in order for this not to go up again, I put another piece of wood here, and now it's pushing this piece of wood nicely against the wall so that all of these pieces of cladding hopefully stick to the wall in the end of this endeavor. I'll leave these in there for another hours or so, and then I will remove these and we'll move on to the next ones that you can't see, but the other walls are still empty, sadly. Alright, it's looking quite good so far. What do you think? So we put up the wood cladding now to see if we need to adjust some pieces a little bit, and yes we did, for example this one. And so we're gonna get them over to, yeah, cut off some little edges, and then we can also glue those to the wall. We will glue the cladding to this wall now, and this is Svi, by the way. He's helping out. He's helping out today. Thanks for that. All right, let's start. This is done now. I think it looks pretty nice. Also our neat construction here to keep this all in place is pretty cool.
Ich gehe mal aus dem Frame.
But also our nice little construction here to keep it all in place. It's pretty cool. But because of this construction you can't do the other side because, you know, we need space to work there. So we'll leave these two to dry for now, and we'll do something else in the meantime. Things we could do is... No. So obviously now we have to wait for these things to dry. So we thought about what we could do next. So another thing that we need to do is add cladding at the doors here. I need to make some kind of blueprints for the doors, and we thought we might actually make these blueprints right now. Wow.
Out of paper.
Out of paper.
Papes.
Papes.
Yeah.
Out of cardboard or something. So we'll see what we can find.
Sounds
like a plan?
Very good plan, yes.
Nice. Alright, let's do this then. Svi's just cutting the cladding for the big door now. We made a little blueprint over here. We already measured the size that we need, and now we're just cutting some cladding. Alright. So we cut some of the cladding of this door, and now we'll just, you know, put it up there and see if it works out, and if the measurements that we did are alright. And then we will probably have to do some more cuts to bring it all in shape and hopefully, yeah, finish the cutting of this cladding today. So let's see if that works.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can do it. Jump forward. Svi is already gone. It's still the same day, but he had to leave because he was only able to be here for 1 day. And you know, this is how fast a day goes by. It's pretty crazy. It seems like we haven't really done that much, but you know, in the grand scheme of things, actually we did. So it was really cool to have him here. Thank you so much, Svi, again, for coming out. Hopefully there'll be more friends coming out. We'll see about that, if that actually happens. And I'm gonna finish up my day now, though it's pretty late already. I will continue doing the cladding next time, but for now I'll leave these to dry, those ones on the wall you can see here and here. So this is what it looks like right now, and yeah, we will continue next time. Alright, bye. Oh Gott, das klappt nicht. Das klappt auf keinen Fall. Du weißt schon, dass da noch 2 Meter dazwischen liegen. And jump forward. I should probably finish eating before I say something to the camera. No. Looking good though.